And just when we thought things couldn't get worse. Just kidding. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Friday and ready to have an amazing weekend. Just wanted to make sure that I provide you guys a quick overall update on what happened today. Make sure that if you learned something new, you drop a thumbs up. And of course, consider subscribing if you want to watch our live stream this upcoming week with the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And that's really what this video is going to be revolved around. A lot of people are messaging me right now on Instagram, on Discord, in the comment section. They're like, oh my God, Rick, I don't know what to do. Is this the bottom of the market? That's the question that everyone keeps asking. Let's take a step back real quick. First off, after talking to my crystal ball, it told me that yes, no, this is the part that baffles me. No one knows where the bottom of the market is. But what we can do is take into consideration what is going to be presented in the up and coming weeks, especially this up and coming next week. And it's the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting. It doesn't matter what we're seeing on the technical side. And again, I'm a technical trader, right? But I understand that it doesn't matter if I'm at a support level or at a resistance level, whatever the charts are telling me. If the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell announces a more aggressive or less aggressive than expected interest rate hike, that's what's most important. So you can look at any technical, any indicator of whatever it is that it's telling you. And it's good to have an understanding of what's going on with the market on the technical side. But let's be realistic. Yeah, we're oversold, but if he raises interest rates 1.5% or something that we did not expect, how do you think the market's going to react? You think just because we're trading below there or close to the EMA or at previous support that we can't break below that? Come on. Be realistic. Understand what's going on. It's these reports and it's what is being reported that affects the market. You need to understand that. So instead of trying to predict the bottom of the market, why not just welcome it? If the market gets worse, welcome it, right? You should have prepared with your position size. I mean, I have an 11,000 share position size on TQQQ. And that's a decent dollar amount, at least for me. And if the market sells off, yeah, it's going to hurt a little bit, right? But I welcome it because I know that I have most of my money ready, cash, to buy the dip when we do get confirmation, when there's actual indication of a reversal. And I know that as it continues to get cheaper, yes, it's going to be challenging to tolerate, but it's not going to be challenging enough that I can't tolerate it, right? You should never put yourself in a position that you can't tolerate. And with this being said, right now, market direction is bearish. We're trading below the EMA. We're making lower lows and lower highs. Today was a good day in the sense that QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF, established its support level, just like we talked about in today's earlier video. Within my Learn Plan Profit Group, we caught this amazing reversal on the 5-minute time frame. It's very easy to see. We broke above EMA. We're making higher highs. That move alone, if I'm not mistaken, was around 4% from overall lows to overall highs. 4% on TQQQ. It's 1.37% on QQQ. So TQQQ is triple leverage. But with that being said, that was an amazing trade. Now, I made sure I made things very clear with my Learn Plan Profit Group. Do not confuse a good day trade for a reason to hold it into a swing trade. You day traded it for a reason. Although even I'm choosing to hold a position on TQQQ, I day traded with twice as large of a position. I bought another 11,000 shares and I sold it and I closed it out, and I'm only staying with what I feel comfortable holding. It is so important for you to understand that bulls, people that are trying to go long on the market, we do not have a lot of ground to stand on right now. It is still more of a bear market as the market is pulling on back. They have direction in their favor. They have market sentiment in their favor. And it's good to respect that, to understand that. And it's not because, oh my God, we're wrong. No, it's that we have a different intention. We're buying now not to be perfect because we know we could still sell off, but in preparation that for when the market does recover, that we're not in at the perfect price point, but we're getting at a good price point. And when the market does recover, as we know that it always does, we can average up into it. So even with this up and coming FOMC Fed meeting on Wednesday, September 21st, at 2 p.m. When we live stream, yes, it is important to pay attention to what is being said, and it is important to pay attention to how the market reacts. But at the end of the day, with a good position size and with having a good trade plan, even for your long-term plays, you should be in good hands. It's all about position size. A good way to manage risk is to manage your position size. And I'm pumped. I'm excited. The market gets worse. We're cash enough to buy into the dip when it indicates signs of reversal. The market recovers shortly after that meeting. Then great, we can average up into it. It is so important for you to understand that regardless of which way the market takes us, that we can prepare for both sides. And that's what I'm excited to experience with you guys. Again, if you guys have any questions about what we talked about today, I hope that you know that you can always direct message me via Discord or via Instagram. And that's that first or third link in the description of this video. I do trade live every single day when the market's open with my Learn Plan Profit group. It is the only thing that I offer. They get to watch me trade live. They get access to my A to Z video lesson library. They get access to our private group chat where I post updates on my trades throughout the day. And they get access to our TechBuds HQ, which is my 7,000 square foot office space that I bought for all of our Learn Plan Profit members to use. It's a one-time payment. It's a lifetime access. It's all inclusive. And right now it's $100 off. So if you've been waiting for a sale, it's one of the biggest sales that we offer. It's the second link in the description of this video. And again, it's the only thing that I offer. So again, I'm looking forward to having you as a part of my team and also having you being able to watch me trade live every single day. If you have any other questions, again, feel free to reach out to me. Friendly reminder, we are doing our staycation giveaway. That's going to be the fourth link in the description of this video. If you want to pick up a mouse pad, some flags, whatever it is that you need, you automatically get entered towards that staycation giveaway. And the trading platform that I'm using is the Webull trading platform. It's free for everyone in the US, and you can earn up to 12 free stocks just by depositing $1. And again, that is the fifth link in the description. I appreciate you guys' time. Hope that earned your thumbs up. Hope you have an amazing weekend. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.